Hey YouTube, what's up? This is Ben from shouldiget.com. This is my 2015 Mini Cooper S with a 6-speed manual and a few mods on it. So I want to make this video kind of for myself just so I remember what mods I did and how the car looked, as I will be getting rid of this car within the next year. But the most recent thing I did actually was this key mod right here. So if you guys have a Mini Cooper, you know that the key is kind of a big hockey puck. Let's see if it'll focus here. And now you can see that my key is much slimmer. And that is because I got this piece from shapeways.com. It's just 3D printed and it kind of takes away the puck. The actual key is just the center part. The whole rest of the circle is just kind of useless. So got this thinner key to match the car. I think it looks pretty cool. But let me walk you through the mods in the order that I did them. So first mod is actually going to be around the back, and I will show you guys that first. And that is this right here. So this is the Borla exhaust. I have a couple of videos of this on my channel. I love this setup. I'm so happy that I did this mod. And there's actually a video on my second YouTube channel that I'll link below where I talked about the stock Mini Cooper S exhaust, as that's one of the reasons that I decided to get this car. I think the stock exhaust sounds great. The Borla exhaust just makes it louder where you want it to be louder and keeps it quiet when you want it quiet, which is great because it's still kind of a sleeper, it's quiet, and then when you put it into sport mode, the crackles and pops sound amazing. You guys can check out those videos to hear that. My second favorite mod that I did, not really a mod, but I got this license plate. Aren't you glad I did that? Ha, if you like that joke, give it a thumbs up, please. And then after I did that, I got these wheels right here. So these are 17-inch wheels, same as the stock. I got new tires and new wheels. So these are the Toyo Proxes 4+. I would highly recommend them if you do a little bit more spirited driving, as I like to call it.
Holy shit, he's hauling.
The grip is much better than the stock, I believe, Continental run flats that the car came with, and I like the look of these wheels a lot. They're kind of this gunmetal gray. The perfect setup would have been dropping the car another 1.25 inches, which I could have done with CravenSpeed lowering springs, but I decided not to do that because I didn't want to pay to have the car dropped and then pay to get it lifted again. So that is that. Then I went on and did the wrap. So you can see right here, I did this part first. Sorry that the car's dirty, but I did this part first. This is just a few different pieces of vinyl wrap. Threw that on. It lasted for 3 months really well. And so with my friends, I decided to do the roof. So you guys can see that those are just a bunch of different pieces. If you look at it from down low, it looks like the whole roof is done. And then on that same day, we also added this piece on the trunk right here, which is the back, and it stayed on pretty well. You can see pieces are starting to come off a little bit. I could replace them, but they actually wash off really nicely when I clean the car, but I haven't washed the car in a few weeks. So that is it for the exterior mods. Then under the hood, I have the CravenSpeed Intake, which I have a video on. It sounds amazing, and you guys can check that out with the links in the description below. And then interior wise, I just have this handbrake handle right here, the stainless steel handbrake from CravenSpeed, which I really like. And honestly, I don't want to put this car back to stock to return the lease. I would rather sell it to someone with the mods. So if you are actually interested in buying any of these mods, or if you're interested in buying the whole car, let me know. But I, again, just made this video kind of for myself so I can remember what this car looked like. And I found this beautiful spot to film this video and decided to try out my iPhone stabilizer while doing it. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment below. I will see you guys in the next one, and make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching. Peace.